I've done a normal survival world before, but honestly, I haven't actually beat the game, so I'm gonna try it here. Alright, I'm creating a new world, and this time, I'm gonna keep it on normal the whole entire time. It's gonna show days played, so we can see how much days we have. And I'm not that good at Minecraft, so hopefully you'll be able to learn better since I'm not a pro. Alright, this is a pretty good spawn. I need to chop wood though. I'm playing on the Switch 2, so it's Bedrock Edition. It should work for Java. Because Java and Bedrock are pretty similar. I think Bedrock's better. Yeah, so just basic crafting. Alright, so right now, the next goal is to get 3 white sheep. You could get any color sheep if you really want it. If you don't find sheep of the same color, you can use flowers and turn them into dye. Then you can dye the wool the same color, and then you can have a bed. I got some birch because I don't want to burn the oak, because that's what I'm going to use for my builds. So I'm burning birch as fuel and for torches, so that's going to come in handy later. So yeah, you also want to get some stone. You want to be able to craft all your tools and get a furnace. And don't just drop your wooden pickaxe, because you can actually use that to smelt stuff. It's only for wooden tools. You can't do it with any other type of pickaxe. It's only the wooden one. And you gotta kind of hurry when you're doing this, because it changes to nighttime really quickly. And everyone knows that's when the mobs spawn. Much, but I do find them occasionally in blacksmiths and villages, and they're pretty interesting. I would prefer a sword though. I don't see many people make hoes that much, because farming is usually a step after you create yourself a home. Actually take the leaves off of trees when you chop them. So if you're chopping down trees near a build and you don't want it to look weird, you can get a hoe and they will break the leaves faster. And the next step up from a hoe would be a sheep. They can get leaves so you can actually place them. You can see here when I break them with my hand, they don't drop anything. But you can get the leaf block with shears, and you can also mine it faster. Hoes are also good at getting hay bales. So yeah, I didn't craft one because I don't know right now. Just saying, if you want to craft one, it may be a good idea for you, depending on your spawn. If you spawn right near a village, you actually might want to get a hoe. Like I said, they're good at mining hay bales. Sheep, 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 sheep. Now I only need 2 more. Sheep. I must have it. 2 sheep. Okay, now I'm gonna have enough to get a bed, as long as I don't lose that one. Alright, so now I can place down my crafting table and make a bed. I'm also going to make a furnace to smelt my mutton, so then I can have cooked mutton. And that's going to restore my hunger bar if I get hungry. And like I said, I'm using my birch because it doesn't make a difference on what it looks, so yeah. So if you spawn in a forest with 2 wood types, you can choose your least favorite and get wood from there. So then you could just use that for situations like making a bed, making sticks, making tools, that sort of stuff. And, real important thing, these leaves that are on the ground, those are smeltable. They burn quickly. If you have a stack, you can smelt them. I'm pretty sure what I heard was a stack of leaves can smelt half a stack of iron. That's really good. Alright, I think I'm going to set up my base camp here. I haven't built a dirt house in a while. But I haven't got a bed on the first day. You know, night now. You don't really want to do the most you can in a day. At least for this series, that's what my goal is. So now that it's done cooking, I'm going to smelt some oak logs. That way I can make some torches. Oh shoot. So when it says the bed is obstructed, that means you don't have enough room to get out of the bed when you wake up. So it's getting dark, so I need to make these changes quickly, or else I'm cooked. And that's what I get for waiting until nighttime. Oh, what was that? Okay, I'm not sure how this baby zombie can hit me through a door. How is that possible? In normal mode, zombies can't even break through beds. Anyway, since he's nearby, I can't sleep. Because it says there's monsters nearby. And that's why when you're doing your builds, you want to place your bed either in your basement or your upstairs. So that way, there's a less chance that your bed will say, "You may not sleep now, there are monsters nearby," which is very annoying. But yeah. Alright, now we'll get in some torches. Yeah, definitely important to smoke your logs. That way you can get charcoal, which is basically coal. Any recipe that has coal in it, the coal can be replaced with charcoal. So even if it says only coal can be in it, don't worry, charcoal can be in it as well. And I survived the first night, so I'm gonna take my stuff. And now you want to find a good place to build a home that looks nice. Now if I have a bed, if I see it's dark outside, I can just quickly tap on it and I can go to sleep right away. So I don't have to worry about building a hut like this anymore. So I want like a good place to build. It's near like a cave or something.